Hi guys, now I'm here to show you how to do purl stitch in knitting. Okay, last time I show you how to make the cast on, right? This one is a cast on to start your knitting. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this purl stitch. Purl is P-U-R-L. Okay, let's start now. Okay, this naked hook is from your right, and then it is full is from here. Okay, so you need to hold this. Hold this by your pinky like that, and we will do purl. Okay, first you have to put this one, you have to hold by your finger, and here this need to be in front like that. Okay, so we need to start our purl stitch. Purl stitch is going from down to going to the back part. Look, from here downside going up, but you go to the back part. Okay, and then this one is need to be behind. Okay, and then you have to roll over, and then you have to help your hand to put this one inside here, and then give up. Okay, another one again. This one, look, you have to be careful not falling up. Okay, this one you need to put inside here, put inside, but okay, this one again need to put inside, going up like a cross. And this thread here you need to roll around here, and then slowly put down and grab the yarn going up, and then press this one to give up one chain. Okay, that's a purl stitch, going down and up, going up, and then like a cross. And this one will be, you have to help your finger to put like this, and you have to grab, you have to help here's one, and then you have to push like that, and then one more going like that, and help this one and this one too. Okay, again we do it again. This one, your pinky you have to hold, and this, and then your finger need to help also to hold and put like that. That's a purl stitch. We're making purl stitch now. Okay, and you have to grab this like this and push like that. We make a purl stitch. Again, you can make it, you just copy, replay like that, like going down, and then one more until you finish the, this is a purl stitch. We're making a purl stitch, guys. Look, that's a purl stitch. But you know, purl stitch is a knit stitch also at the back. And again here, purl stitch. Just copy what I do, and then grab and put down. Okay, and then another one and put like that. You have to put under. Okay, and then one more. You have to look only how I do, and put inside and look, right. This a knitting. It's more difficult than crocheting, but it's fun. You can create many things out of. Okay, Okay, we're almost finished with our purl stitch. We're almost finished, so we will finish this. You have to put in, but you have to hold your yarn in here, from here, right? Look, going up, and then you have to look that you have to help, your fingers need to help to hold those yarn. Okay, so that is good, like that. Hold, because it's very slippery if you cannot control your what's this, a hook. Okay, very slippery, the hook. And then hold, all your fingers have work with this kind of handicraft. Okay, like that. Almost finished with your with our. You have to look only when you try to, you have to put inside, like that, going up, and then put around. You can help, your fingers need to help, you know, like that, like that, like that. I make it slowly, and then the yarn, like that. Two more. Oh, but you need to be careful not to slip, okay? Sometimes your fingers are slippery, like that, like that. One last. Okay, we create our, okay, we finish, and you have to, so now we make our purl stitch. You know that purl stitch in front, and you can see the back is a knit stitch. So I like more purl stitch, so we can continue this video is only for purl stitch. Okay, and next we will continue this to make a hat. Okay, a winter hat. So you need to know first what stitches you will use in on making a hat, right? So purl stitch and knit stitch. So I need to show you the knit stitch style. Okay, next video is a knit stitch. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learn about purl stitch. Look, thank you guys. Ingat.